mga ka-agriculture, mga perfect oil. Ako ang mga new babies for one sem. Uy, naanlagi na sa agriculture ka, ma'am?
My father is an agriculturist, so I could consider that this opportunity is given to us. So for us to know for more about agriculture, you have to involve in agriculture.
Yes.
My father is a farmer, and I was born as a product of a farm, no, a farmer. So thank you so much to to agriculture, because of agriculture we could eat, we could earn, and we could, we could survive anywhere.
Agriculture is the back
Of our nation.
So, thank you so much to all farmer.
Ayan, so itong video ito, pera to ni Dave. Please support Dave kasi pera niya ito, no? Pag maraming views, maraming pera. Pag maraming share, marami ding isi-share.